In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Zoom from opening on startup. If your computer feels sluggish right after you sign in, Zoom auto-starting in the background may be part of the reason. Turning this off helps your system boot faster and gives you control over when Zoom runs. We'll do this entirely from the Zoom desktop app, and the process is similar on both Windows and Mac. Start by opening the Zoom app on your computer. Look to the upper right corner of the Zoom window for your profile icon. It might be your photo, your initials, or a simple avatar. Click that profile icon to open a small menu. If you don't see the main Zoom home screen, close any meeting windows or pop-ups so you're back at the app's home view. That way, the profile button is easy to find. From the profile menu, click Settings. This opens the Zoom settings window where you can manage how the app behaves. If you prefer, you can also click the gear icon that appears on the home screen. It takes you to the same place. Either way, you should now see the Settings panel. In the Settings panel, make sure you're on the General tab. This is usually the first tab on the left. Here, look for the option related to automatic startup. Depending on your operating system and Zoom version, it may read, "Start Zoom when I start Windows," or "Start Zoom when I sign into my computer." This setting controls whether Zoom launches by itself every time you log in. Now, turn that option off. If it's a checkbox, simply uncheck it. If it's a toggle, switch it to the off position. That's it. Zoom will no longer open automatically the next time you start your computer. You can still open Zoom anytime from your Applications folder, Start menu, or Dock. It just won't jump in uninvited. A few quick tips. If you want Zoom to be ready for you only when you need it, this change is ideal. If you ever change your mind, come back to the same General tab and turn the setting back on. If the option is grayed out, your organization may manage this setting. In that case, reach out to your IT admin. And if you're troubleshooting startup performance, remember that turning off Auto Start for other apps can also make a noticeable difference. That wraps it up. You've just learned how to stop Zoom from opening on startup, so your computer can boot cleaner and faster while you stay in control. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.